You could have knocked me over with a feather. I have just felt so honored since I got your call, and I felt so humbled really, because all the winners, past winners, have been such idols of mine, people I've admired so much. I never dreamt that I would ever win the award, so it's still a dream that I haven't woken up from. I think it plays a huge role. Children's literature has always been seen as something not very important in the world of reading, in the world of publishing, where mainstream authors of adult books have received accolades, are known. There have been festivals which feature them. Children's books have never had the same attention. And yet, children's books, I feel, set the foundation for reading for a lifetime. So to have an award like this validates everything that children's book writers and illustrators do. It's an extremely rewarding and an extremely important award, I think, and it does tremendous amounts to boost the confidence of all illustrators and authors everywhere. I have been extremely fortunate, in fact, because I've never had to send manuscripts or send portfolios to publishing houses and say, please will you publish my work, or please. I have been in that sense extremely fortunate, whether it was Tulika or whether it was Eklavya or whether it was Pratham. I have been approached and asked, would you like to do some work for us? So I must say that I'm one of the fortunate few who have been able to acquire work through that route. The problems, though, of course, is part of the problems, of course, is that one can't sustain oneself as an illustrator of children's books. Until the art form is recognized as a valid art form, as a valid means of earning a living, we're going to have illustrators and artists having to either be extremely prolific and work 24/7, or having to do other things alongside in order to earn a living along with what one does in creating books. Becoming a better citizen is, that's a huge umbrella term. I think that children who read, children who are introduced to reading at an early age, have their world opened up to many possibilities. Through books, we encounter children from different areas of different persuasions, religions, colors, regional diversities. And that in itself helps children understand and accept and include people of different kinds. Books also help children to ask questions and see the world outside, apart from seeing things that mirror the society that they know. I can't see a single disadvantage to learning to read or being exposed to books, whether they're comics or whether they are other books, picture books. Read. I mean, when children read, they open themselves up to being better citizens.
Okay, one last question for you. What would you like to say to young budding illustrators who want to take up this journey?
I'd say it's a job of responsibility. It's one of the most rewarding jobs in the world. To be able to have your book read by children, to have your illustrations pored over by children, admired by children, there's nothing as satisfying in the world. So, but realize that the children are reading things into your pictures. Children are reading more than what is said in just the written word. So there's also a sense of responsibility that comes when you're creating illustrations that reflect a world outside that the children is learning from, because children read pictures as much as they read the written word. But I would say we need more artists in the world. We need more creators of children's books. So we don't have enough of them. Yeah.